And they're coming to take the kitty.
Oh, the kitty?
Yeah.
Hello there.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hold on for a second, Loreta. No, I'm sorry. We just came from an event for cats. That's why she's in high heels and. No.
Mande. Sí, yo le cierro la puerta, Gloria.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
Okay.
Loreta. Be ready to intercept it, Loreta. You got it? Okay, you got one. All right, good. That's one. Yeah, just can't reach. Oh, I escaped to this side. Hello again. So I can scare him. He's in the corner right now. He's gonna come out from here. If you'll come in here and just hold this position. Okay. Here, I'll move these.
That's how you get in?
Yeah. Okay, he's gonna come out from this hole, okay? Just get comfortable in there. Yeah, just grab it as I'm gonna scare it towards you. Oh, come on, no. Yeah, just a bite. What can I do? There's now. Yeah. Why are you upset, huh? Shh. That's how you do. You flip them.
That's some technique.
Yeah, you flip them, and it just makes them relax. It's like sharks, right? You're like a little shark. No. Okay. All right. Good. Careful, they climb.
Yeah.
He trying to climb the wall. Look who's here. No, that's your brother, sister. Okay, all right, let's close it so they don't escape.
There are two more.
I'm going to go grab my flashlight.
Okay.
I found another one. Unbelievable how they hide. Okay, let's do it together. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. Wait, don't move yet. You're crushing him. I need to go in there. Let me see how to do this. No. We gotta move this thing. Okay. Oh, wait.
Get in
It's okay.
It's gonna go.
Yeah.
The other side.
I got him. Hi, Kitty. Thank you for not fighting. Awesome, thank you. I know. Wanna hold him? You comfortable doing it?
Yeah.
Scruff?
Upside down, right?
Yeah, and bust the scarf. That's it, you can go ahead and have it to then put it in the box. Yeah. We're training a whole new set of rescuers. What?
She got it.
She did?
Yeah.
Champion. I'm telling you, this Loreta is amazing. Oh, great.
Okay, you get out.
Oh, you got him.
I didn't get him. Who got him?
Amazing. I'll tell you what, I'm going to leave you
That's the card.
my phone number in case you tell me there's a fifth. You know, they only counted 4, but hey, you.
He's very feisty. He's calm now, but
Yeah, look at his leg though. Adrenaline.
I know, poor baby.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, let's put him inside.
Let's cover.
Okay. We can move him to the crate.
Very creative.
Now they're gonna be good. And they look healthy, they look very well. They just need a little bit of socialization, humans, contact. Okay.
You too.
2.
Here's the third one. Come on, baby.
Here, I'll go in. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, we're gonna go ahead to the hospital, clean him up. I'll send you a photo update, okay? Thank you guys.
I know. Maybe I'll be back today.
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, he's drinking. He's thirsty.
He's so cute.
Look who's here. Yep.